Hi there, welcome to MobiTrack Nav Drive product demo, and of course with me here today is Packard Compassion 600. Well, basically it's a in-car navigation unit which comes in built-in with GPS receiver. And of course this device is very small, very portable and very easy to use. And of course the Packard Compassion 600 comes with a series of accessories that includes the car holder, which uses a suction cap, of course, which you can install to your car windscreen. Of course, it also comes with a secret car charger, and what it does, you can actually connect it to your car and you can have it powered at all times. And of course, to install it to the car holder, it's very simple. All you gotta do is put it in here and press it on until you hear the clip sound, and of course it stays very steadily on the holder. And of course, before we go on further with our demo for today, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to connect the device to the secret car lighter. There you go. And of course, once you have that connected, you will see an indicator on the top left hand side of the device, which is orange LED, means it has its power connected at all times. Now to power up the device, it's another very simple thing to do. All you gotta do is slide the power button, which is on the bottom left hand side of the device. So you slide it up and the device will power by its own. Then upon powering up, you will see a three main function, namely navigation, MP3 player and JPEG. So it's very self-explanatory. Of course, if you want to do navigation, all you got to do is click on navigation. If you want to listen to MP3s, which has a built-in MP3 player, you click on the second one. And of course, if you want to view some pictures which you have loaded into the device, all you got to do is click on the JPEG. Now first, we want to make sure that the device is connected to GPS. That way, all you got to do is click on the settings button, which is on the top right, and click on GPS status. It will show that all the satellite which the device is currently connected to, and of course if it's connected to the correct number of satellites, of course it will give a response of GPS data valid. That way you already have a GPS locked to the device. Now getting back to navigation, and I click on the navigation in the main menu, and I click on navigate.
Starting navigation.
Immediately the application will load and shows your current location. Alright, so let's click on back to the main menu on the navigation. Say for example right now I have left my office and I would like to check into my hotel, which happens to be Sunway Lagoon Resort Hotel, and I'm unsure as to how can I get there. So what I do, I click on the search button and I type on any keyword, for example lagoon, to search for my hotel. So I click on enter. So the device will show a list of results matching the criteria of a lagoon. So that way all I gotta do is move down the list until I find the result that I want, which is Sunway Lagoon Resort Hotel. That is Sunway Lagoon Club, Sunway Lagoon Resort Hotel. Now all I got to do is click on the end point. So the system will automatically route you from the last known GPS position to Sunway Lagoon Resort Hotel. Now all you got to do is click on OK, and the system will accordingly route from your current position to your destination. And all this is done seamlessly on the device. Now once the routing has been done, it will come back to the main menu page, and now all you got to do is click on navigate.
Navigation.
And as you can see on the screen, the routing has been selected to you with a red line on the map. Now all you gotta do is as simple as it is to just drive.
Crying over you, and I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing you were still here. Said I'm so sick.
200 meters, turn left.
As you can see, the device will give you a voice prompt telling you which junction you're supposed to take, as such as left turn. Very good. The navigation unit has just prompted us to take a left. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. At the junction, I'm just going to take a left as instructed by the device.
Meters, turn left.
Again, the system, each time it reaches to the next junction point, it will give you a voice prompt. So again, I will go to follow the voice prompt by the navigator.
At the next junction.
And upon taking my left, the navigator has instructed me again to prepare to take a U-turn in the next junction. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. As you can see, I do not need to even look at the screen. to navigate from my position to my destination. By just hearing the voice prompt, I could be able to do that. Now, it's also interesting to note that on the screen
Make a U-turn here.
at the GPS device, it has a lot of interesting information that would be proved very useful as a driver. On the bottom left here, it's indicated in the next turning that you're supposed to take, whether it's left, whether it's right, whether it's U-turn, you'll be indicated on the screen icon, and also the distance to that junction. So it means we are 50 meters away from our U-turn that we're supposed to make. Now, other information that is being listed here includes the distance to our destination, which is indicated on the top right, and also the estimated time of arrival. With the current speed, it is estimated that we'll reach our destination in about 2 minutes.
Prepare to turn left in 1 kilometer.
So the voice prompt again has indicated to me that I'm about to take
500 meter turn left.
left turn in about 500 meters.
200 meters turn left.
So other than the voice prompt and all the information that has been listed on the navigator, it also shows you the name of road that you are currently in on the bottom side of the
Left turn
screen.
here.
So I'm just going to follow the navigator by turning left right now.
Reaching destination in 500 meter.
So when you're about to reach your destination, the navigator will accordingly prompt you and let you know that you'll be reaching a destination in, say, 500 meters, in 200 meters, and so on and so forth.
Reaching destination in 200 meter. You have reached your destination.
So as you can see, upon reaching my destination, which is Sunway Resort Hotel on my right, the system has informed me that I've safely arrived at my destination. So as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, it's very simple to use the device. It has very simple interface. It gives you interactive voice prompt, and of course, in event that you took a wrong turn, it can even reroute you back to your original destination, and that is what we call by the auto reroute function. Now, say for example, I've checked into my hotel, I came back out, and it says that I want to go for something to eat. So what I can do is I can also use this device do a what's nearby search. So when I click on the what's nearby, you have a list of categories that I can choose to search from. That includes agriculture, airport. For example, I want to go to a bank. What I do, I click on the bank and I click on OK. So it's lists down a list of banks that I could go from my current location. Being the nearest is Southern Bank, which is 143 meters from my current position. Maybank, which is 206 meters from my current position. So for example, if I want to go to Maybank, I click on Maybank, which is my second list. Create favorites.
A new favorite has been created.
And the favorites will be created accordingly in the system. So next, what do I do is I can go back to the main menu, to my navigation, and I can use the plan route function. So at the start point will be the last known GPS location, and end point, I click on my favorites, and I can select on the Maybank, which I've just created earlier. And I click this as the end point, and I click on OK. And the system accordingly, once again, will route you from your current position to your next destination. So again, once you come after the routing has been done, on the main menu, click back on the navigation, and accordingly, it will show you the map and the next junction you're supposed to take, all indicated on the screen, being the left turn 150 meters, the name of street that you're currently in, the distance to your destination, and of course the time of arrival, expected time of arrival in reaching your destination. And other than that, you can also do a zoom out and zoom in of the map. And as you can see, at a glance, you will know where your destination is, being Maybank. And of course, that concludes the product demo for MobiTrack Nav Drive. And what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to go to my Maybank.
Why can't I turn off the radio?